After checking the basement area, the team moves deeper into the building. They hear an FPV drone approaching in the distance and decide to stay quiet so they don't give away their position. But it seems like the FPV drone knew their position anyway and hit the building when they opened fire to it. One FPV drone already hit the building, but the soldiers know that's likely not the last. They scan the surrounding area, watching and listening for the next one. The team confirms that enemy forces are still inside the building, likely in the basement area. They prepare to throw grenades and suppress the position with fire before making entry.
Давай, поїхав. Давай.
Same tactics are used here. Grenades, then suppressive fire to keep enemy forces from returning fire, then slowly advancing further into the building. They check every room and every corner to make sure it's clear.
Чисто.
In combat like this, you usually don't see the enemy, but you fire in that direction anyway to suppress their position and prevent them from being able to aim and return accurate fire. This type of close quarters battle is extremely dangerous because there's limited room to maneuver. You're confined inside the building with no space to fall back if things go wrong. Every corner, every doorway could have an enemy position. The soldiers have to be extremely careful with their movement and angles of fire while clearing each room methodically. The team is now using flashlights to navigate through the darker areas of the building that can help identify threats and clear dark corners, but they also give away your position to the enemy, so it's a trade-off.
Чисто. Тут він цей.
As they're coming back to the building they were staying in, they hear drones again in the area. The team has to stay alert for more FPV attacks. Ukrainian Special Operations Forces from the 8th Regiment are moving toward Yampil in Donetsk Oblast, where enemy sabotage and reconnaissance groups are attempting to establish positions in the settlement. An FPV drone hits the building and one of the soldiers gets injured in the blast. His teammates help him back to the vehicle to get him out of there. After that, they regroup and move to another house where they know enemy forces are hiding. They assume enemy forces are in the house and start checking every corner slowly. The team moves carefully through each room, clearing the space methodically to avoid any surprises. They capture enemy soldiers inside. The prisoners are secured and searched for weapons or intelligence materials.